Now, Poo bring whole lulu.
No.
We make a.
Poo, yo, bang, oh, hello.
No. Luna.
No, not now. Not now.
Not
like
now,
this.
Daddy. Oh, first,
Like this.
let Daddy do first.
Like this.
Yeah, and then Daddy will do something.
Like this.
Do you? Oh, not that. See, Daddy used those to bring water. Ooh, yes.
See, you are making a dam. See.
Yeah, I think that's better, Unity.
If you use the water hose, it's gonna flood all over. So
Yeah, and then we're gonna waste a lot of water. Huh? Jenny, what is
Okay. Yep. Here, come get more water. Like this. Huh? Come, scoop some
Climb
water.
up there.
Con chị nè, con họ nọ, con họ của tao nè. Để nó chết của nhau nè.
Yeah.
Wow, cool.
I'm gonna make a boat.
Ooh, Daddy will make a boat.
What kind of?
A paper boat.
I wanted a wood instead.
You want a wood instead? Oh, where's the duck, the little duck?
What the?
The duck could go swimming there. Cool. You got good idea, Unity. You're so smart. How'd you get to be so smart?
Because Jesus made me like that.
Because Jesus made you like that? That's right. Look. Look at that.
It's a huge one.
Mm-hmm. Whoa, it's almost full. Almost full to the brim, to the top. I think that's enough. You think that's enough? Tomorrow you come again and do that. Oh, put it on the very, very beginning up there. Yep, that right there, that's the beginning. Yep. Yeah, that's the beginning right there.
Yeah. It's almost full.
Yeah, it's almost full. And then when Dad made the boat will flow on the river. Okay, I think that's the last one, okay? Let's make that the last one. Okay, that's the last one. Wow, look at that. How's your back? You got a backache? From digging it? Woo, wow, look at that.
Because I remember George in that episode, he found out things can float.
Oh, really? Oh, what do you think can float on the river?
A hard helmet,
A hard helmet?
like you work, like
Well,
you
let me
build
give you
stuff
a
with the
suggestion. Can leaf float? Yeah, we have lots of leaf here. You want to pick up one leaf and see if it floats?
helmet. No. Hey, Mom.
Hey, we got lots of leaf over there.
Yeah. Mom, we need to tell you something.
Yes, tell me.
Can we put more water in tomorrow?
Yeah, we can do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because I think over the night the water will go down. And then tomorrow you can put more water on it. Okay?
there must be a bigger way to stop to keep from keeping it from going down.
What? You want somebody to drown in it?
No!
What about if the squirrel comes? The squirrel might drown in it.
No, he's just gonna do something and mess it up.
Yeah, I think the bird will come and drink it. And the squirrel will come and drink it too. Because the
But
summer,
that's bad!
because I think they are thirsty. Are you done with it? Okay, let's put the shovel up. Pick up the shovel and put it up. Put it back up there. Let's place it. Let's put it back because you're done digging it. Ha, Phu Phu hả Dì Dì nhớ hỏi. Oh, you want to show Dì Dì what you did?
Oh, yeah. We can't take her out.
What did he say? You understand what he said?
No?
He said he's not dressed up.